Whalaflahi atu hane e tau wala tala tu tupu ke lata mai awhewhinei. Good evening, in our news bulletin for tonight. Ko tu ai hongo furu e tau tari mai he whakawhitui ai a niwe me motu ko saina, se kua manaki ai ke whakahoko ai e tau whakawhiawhianga ke humotu. China and Niue celebrate a decade of diplomatic relations. Kua mai ke te tangata ke moa e tau fuafuanga, ne kua mo mai he tau koloa, fuafua puketahi ne toka atua ke wafo. People can now access data from the tidal gauge at the Sir Roberts Wharf in real time. Kua whakamalolo ai tau hukui he whahi malolo seno ke pui pui e motu mai he tonga ngā utawhano tunge tinki hako ki semari ki si hake he tau tangata ni kua moa e ngā nei ki hau Pasifika. Dengue fever outbreaks in the Pacific have health officials closely monitoring any further spread of mosquito-borne diseases. Koe hongo furu tau hanei he tali mai he whawhetui ai aniwe mo motu ko saina, si ko hoko mai e mga aho ke whakamailonga ai o e taha whakawhiawhianga ke whahi tapu nei. Ko tau tupi ni ko whakamwali ke lata mai tau whikau nei, to tuangi he whakatwhona saina, si ko whakakesianga he malulu he tau whakawhetui hanga. Ngā hua whakalatahe whale tau hukui whakatwhono, molo toru mai saina ke whakatokatoke tau whikau, si amna ke liu whakatutala ai ke tau mawehianga, ne kua whakamori ai ke he tau tau e kua mole atu. Whakatutala mo ia i ma tau palimia ke kisia kua hingoa hana, kisianga ke he tau whakawhetuyanga mai motu ko saina.
Whakamori tu ma tulu he tau tau ki usi e te ringa ua milion dāra atu pe Amerika. Ka ila whakaanga i e tu he ronga mena. Ka e mone kororo ma tulu ke ngā hua. Tunga i he bola tu. Whakaanga te tupi i lata ke tausi ki te bola tu. Ua furu milion dāra. Suki tua mamana ki anga i he mau tulu maone. Hoi e furu mana ka usi e whikau i. Ke tau tupi ka fōki mai i tau saina ki lata i ua tau tulu whawhetuyanga muratu.
Koe whakawhetuyanga nei ne hawhangi ai fōke tau puhala maua langmatai tupe ke lata mo i tau ngā hua whakalaulahi. Po ke tau whaka akuanga fōke ke lata i mo i tau tangata ne kua o atu ai ke tau whenonga ke motu i ko saina.
Nimu e tau tulu wharumaha kama na whāuina a rau tulu kua tau tulu ki sia te pina rau tulu ndau sa maane. Te whahofu e tau tangata ke o nono whahofu e tau sauna ka mai e ke awa ke matune. Koe pina ke tūrua ki haumia i tau whawhetuyanga ke lātai me tuanga saina ki tau mana laulua. Ne whamahane tau tūru e whatutale ke. Ko tau tūru, koe tau tūpuna mai saina ringa ua awha me whā. E whakaanga e wharu wala tupi i roka matai ki te kaini tau tangata. On there, I think. The winner do whatever I need. But haia i te romatai a rautu. Ke lata ua tau tūru tau whawhetuyanga ngāne. Koe maratu rāna ke o mai a rauturu ni ko win. Whakawhiawhia o roa tau tūru o mai ki anono e tau pāpaura te zaina ni o te mai e. Ke lata e moe hātau tūru whawhiawhianga lata mai aha.
Kua manaki ai ke liu whakatutala fōki e puhala ke matutaki mai o ki mua ke moe manuena mai tau wotu neua. Koe tau whikau whakawhiawhia tau whakahoko ai ke he loto taoni i alofi ke a whiawhi a whaiumwen e hao tia. It has been 10 years since Niue formalized diplomatic relations with the People's Republic of China, and both governments are set to celebrate that milestone this weekend. A delegation of 12 representatives of the Chinese government are due to arrive on Friday. Niue signed diplomatic relations with China on the 12th of December 2007 under the leadership of the government of Premier Yang Vivian. This marks a milestone for Niue as it works towards forging stronger bilateral relations with other countries, and 10 years with one of the fastest growing economies has its benefits.
There are some what might be considered as being indirect achievements. The key, I think, is more to do with the fact that we have agreed to cooperate on many of the things that we need to do. The Chinese have provided funding for us in the past. They will be providing funding for our roading. So those are the things that I believe are good for them, good for us. Very happy about it.
Premier Talangi says that this is a perfect time to celebrate, as it is the festive season after all.
Everybody invited to come down and have a meal and enjoy the company of the Chinese friends who are going to be here, as well as to enjoy the fireworks that they agreed to provide so that we can have a look. It's celebrating 10 years of our association with China as diplomatic partner. Very pleased about that. Why not have a party? It's Christmas.
The celebrations will be held at the Commercial Centre at 4 in the afternoon on Saturday, where there is some excitement for the fireworks display that will be at the Sir Roberts Wharf after 7 in the evening. Considering fireworks were invented in medieval China, it promises to be quite a spectacle. Kua whakangahua mitaki tua e tau koloa ke hawāwho ne whakatutu mai whāhi fuafuang matangi. Si kua mai ke whoke he tau tangata ke mōwai pa ke kisia e tau talahawanga mo e tau fuafuanga ke tau whakaholwanga he kupeanga hila. Koe koloa fuafua tahi nei ne whakatua he tau ua whehong malima mo e kua whakakesia e tau fuafuang matangi ke lātu mai tahi mo e tau puhala la kau hila si kua mai ki e whahi fuafua matangi ke kisia po ke ono atu kiai. Whakatutala mo i e takitaki e whahi fuafuang matangi ke moa e taha māmaanga laulahi hangau ia ke tau kiskisianga nei.
Koe koloa ia ne taka i ki he uafo, hai e ni ki sia mturu koe mtakawi ki he tūru mita he loa, mo e mai ke mtuki ki sia na tunga e stepe, ka he hai ai e tau koloa i lalo he koloa ia, tunga hongofuru e wala ke he kehe, ne tuku ki loto he koloa ia, si mai ke moa mai e tau fuafuanga matangi, pia fuki ni ke he tahi, hiki ki anga he tunga pe he hiki anga he tahi ke tau atu aho, te ki taha. Mai ke loa e tau tōru e tau whailoanga ia, mo e tau matanu mela, ke lata mai matangi, ko e hauanga he matangi, pia fuki ni koe whiha e malolo he matangi he tau atu te ki taha. Si koe mga hau nei, kua whiwhialai mo tōru, hako mai ke te i e tau tangata osi, iniwe, pia fuki ni he whalo motu ki whafo he lalolangi ki sia e tau matanu mela nei ne hake mai he koloa nei ne toka ki he wafo.
Koe tau langmatai tupe ne moa mai Australia, pia mo e tau insinia ne hoku mai he mtakau Climate and Ocean Support Program. Ne ko mai ke whakamole manako haniwi ke moa e tau koloa fōu nei.
Niwe e motu ne whakamoa ki moa e koloa nei ne toka ai e taha koloa ki loto ki fuafua ai e hiki ki anga kere kele puke tahi. Ne whālaula he tatoru he pehe whaulu naka i tari tonu kua hiki te matangi pua haki te puke tahi lalolangi si maeke he koloa nei ke kisia puke maeke tatoru ke ono mai he tautou te ki taha i hiki anga koe hiki kere kere haki ki longa pui hifo puke tahi ne haki ki longa. Si ngahua motoru mai whahi ngahua fofo kerekele Justice Lands and Survey ne mai ke fuki ke ngahua mo taha mtakaulahi he atu Pasifika ko SPC ke tausi ai e tau whakaholoanga ke ne awhia ai e wala he hiki ki anga he kerekele he motu poke tahi. Aia, spia whalua amamana ki anga mauturu ki whakalola he to mamaanga he to tangata he tautura motu he tau kahau.
Laula he tau ngahua he whāhinga hua fuafuang matangi ke langwatai atu ai ke whakapuloa e tau fuafuang matangi mo e tau numela ko mahuinga malauturu ne kua whakaonga e tokoloa ke tofia.
Mahuinga e tau matanu mela nei ke lata mo i tau tangata usi ha tautola motu. Mo atu ke lauturu ne o atu ki tahi, tunga i tau tangata takawhangaika. Mai ka lauturu ke o atu ke sia e tau matanu mela nei ke he webpage, si kisia lau tōle tuanga e matangi whakatai pihe kamanako rai ki whinut ki hika ko e hau e matangi whahi tonga po ke whahi lalo po ke whahi uta si koe whihe malolo he matangi whiha fuki e wewela he ea ke he matakawi ia ne taka ai e koloa nei piha fuki nei ke he wewela he fufuanga he tahi ke lata matakawi ia ne taka ai e koloa kai lo lahi fuki ke lata moe hatuturu ai loanga hangau ia ke he hiki ki anga matangi ke whanei ni ko ki se tuturu moe langana lahi fuki ki ai e hiki ki anga matangi si koe sea level ko e hiki anga ka ha he tahi tunga pe he tokolunga moe maeke ki se tuturu e hiki anga mai he tautau taki taha si ko niwe ko whakamua lai a tuturu ne maua e koloa nei si kamata lai a tuturu ke ki se to matanu mela nei kai uta ke he whia tautau i mua to maeke moe a tuturu ke ki sia whakalaulahi e onanoanga ke he tuanga e ke tahi a tuturu a motu.
Koe tahania la ka anga whauha nei kua mitaki lahi kai mai longa he tau tangata. Talahau mai e Rosie, kua amuna ki e whahinga hoa ke tau se tau whakakuang mo e tau tangata ke he tau kahau, ke mai ke alo tōru ke māma, koe hei ngoe tau kakanu he tau matanumela nei. Data recorded by the tide gauge at Sir Robert's Wharf is now accessible online, providing accurate information in real time. The tide gauge was funded by Australia and launched in 2015, but only the Niue Meteorological Office could access that data. The 3-metre structure has state-of-the-art instruments provided, and the Niue Meteorological Services and other key industries valuable information for planning and managing actions.
Within this equipment, there's 10 different parts to it. And there's 3 types of information that you can receive from it. The weather information, which comprises of wind data, wind direction, wind speed, temperature, the air, the temperature around the location, and the sea temperature, as well as sea level data, and also the positioning of the actual location. We're very happy to share this information with the people, so you can access it anytime, and it's in real time as well. You get the actual data there and then. But if anyone would like to have more information or would like to walk through the specific numbers, just call us or let us know and we can explain.
A team of engineers from Australia's Climate and Oceans Support Program installed this equipment, and the information gathered will have great long-term benefits so they can monitor the effects of climate change and other factors that influence the ocean environment.
In the past 2 years, a lot of work have gone into the engineering of trying to get the information across to the stakeholders. So we have worked with the local IT experts in Niue, as well as the Bureau of Meteorology. So we first accessed the data like just the Niue Met Service, but now everyone can access it online, whether you can access on laptop or from your phone, as long as you have internet access. And they are not only just numbers for people to look at, but they're very, very useful information for fishermen, for local people, for the communities, pretty much for everybody. But the idea that we have planned is to host a workshop next year to explain to the people specifically what the numbers really mean. But right now, the data coming out, you can actually see this. It's the sea level data. For example, the tides that we normally use every day, low tide and high tide, within the information itself, you can actually see if the predicted value of the sea level is the same as the actual. So you can also compare the two. The other thing we can gain from this is that we can monitor the sea level change in terms of climate change over the years to come. So we can use that information for further research or further project development, or it can assist other existing projects on oceans or coastal developments in Niue.
The Niue Meteorological Service have plans to conduct public consultations next year to give people a better understanding on what these figures mean and how they can use this information for their individual or community plans. Ko moa e tau hokotaki mai he tau whahina le weki mai kiskesi atua i tau ngangao ni whai o wika wehatu Pasifika wa kisia kua liu tuai malikisi hake tau numela tangata ni ko moa i he tingkin. Ko he ngangao nei ne uta whanu he tau namu wa kisia ko naka i mitaki mai tau whahima lolo sino he motu. Ko mawhisi e whahima lolo sino ke whailoa tuai he tau tangata mai matutaki ai e halo tola tau hata kianga ke he tau puipuianga he tau ngangao nei.
Se ke whahe te punei ni maua i whakailoanga mai he tatangata hua he motu ko Samoa. Ko lo tūru ni le weki atu ke whaenga hua puipui ngangau. Ko mō lea atu e tahe awhi me lime se ua fu maua e tatangata he mga nei. Ko maua ngangau tiki whiwa ke motu na. Mo e tūle seo, mo e walungu fu maanga na ko whita e nonofo atu ke whae whare ngangau. Si toko whae e lo tūle tomata kei nanga ne kua kau mahala lo tolo to mui e mga oni haka ngangau tingi whiwa ni se ko whitani foki e whai whakailoanga e whai ngahua ni ko tātu ke tō meri hila ke lata me tō tangata he motu ke whakailo atu mua atu ke lo tolo tō tangata ni whamahani ke mua atu ke vaiwa ke whaulo motu i whafu se pe mga honi hātaki atu tō e whai ngahua ke lo tolo ka atu ke motu ko Samoa ke mai longa lo tolu e te puhala ne ko alata ke puipuia ke lo tolu ke ua liua ki mai e ngau tingi whiwa he mga hoka li liu mai alo tolu he motu.
Koe whaluanga hua ke whai kiskisianga ke lo tolu ka li liu mai he te whenanga ke te atu motu ne moe tau ngangau ke whakailoi foki ke he whahi malolo sino.
Nono ni whakamata whenga te tolu ke tau puhala ne ko mai ke motu ke tau se he mga o nei. Ke matutau ke te tolu tau puhala puipui ke lata mena ngau tingi whiwa ke ota ke he osi tau whanawanga he tau namu ke he tau tolu tau loto kaina tunga ni he whamahani ke tau whakaloanga te tolu ke tunga e whai pamunamu mo le wiki anga ke tau malolo sino he tau tangata e mutu. Ko e whaalai me meheanga po ke wahanga ngangau tingi i kehe ne ko mai ke mō he tau tangata e mga hone. So ko whitani e moto te tolu he maua he wahanga ua. Pia whoki ni mai wahanga taha. Mo e tau kua maore whoki ke matahiku e tau. Ni ko moa whoki he te tolu motu ki he wahanga wha. Ni whainga wai tingi type 4. Mo he motu ko Solomon.
Koe taha motu ne kua iloa, kua hoko te tingi ki ai me whalunga ngā whoki koe motu ko Vanuatu. Te koe motu ia whoki ne kua o atua e laulai he tau Mtakau Sipote ki hatu Pasifika. Pia ni mai Mtakau Haniwene o atua e si kua lata whoki ki hātaki atu ki alo tolu.
Ke te whai tapu tō o atua te tolo Mtakau Sipote ke motu ko Vanuatu. Ko whitani e whai whakailoanga e whainga hu. Ke alo tolu ke hoko mai ke moa alo tolu a tau huki pui pui. Mua atu ke ngangau furu, ngangau mō whoki. Hake tō ngangau ia he mga nei ni kua tōla he mahaki ki he motu ko Vanuatu. So kua tō hifo tō e no mea la tangata alo tōle mō he ngangau tingi whiwa. Kai whai hata ki anga whoki ni e whainga hua ke he tamatakai nanga i tō ni wat ki Vanuatu ke matutau ke alo tō ki pui pui alo tō sino mai he tau namu ne seke ko mō whoki alo tōle ngangau tingi whiwa.
Tū mau e tau hātaki ang he whahi malolo sino he motu ke he tau tangata. Mua atu ka eke kua o whenonga ke tau mutu kehe, ke iloa, ko hingo e tau ngā ngāo piki sia ne kua hoko atu ki ai, mo e lali ke nā kai liwa ki mai tau ngā ngāo ia ke he motu. O whakamuna atu ke uta ke he whoki e tau nonofuanga he tau namu, ke he tau lotokaina he motu. Recent outbreaks of dengue fever in the Pacific region have the public health departments taking action to ensure it does not reach Niue. Niue's health department is linked to the World Health Organization, who monitor and provide surveillance information to share with health officials in the region.
This week we just received notification from our colleagues from the World Health Organization, Syndromic Surveillance Office, to inform us that there has been an outbreak of dengue fever in Samoa specifically, and in the report that they sent us, it indicated that 1,522 people have been affected, with 385 people being admitted into hospital from dengue fever. So they have also managed to type the dengue virus that they have, which is type 1 or type 2? Type 1 at the moment, so, and with 4 deaths. So thus,
According to the head of the Public Health Division, Griselda Mukoya, the most prominent of dengue fever outbreaks in the Pacific region thus far is in Samoa, with over 1,500 cases and 4 fatalities. Within the past 10 years, Niue has faced dengue fever outbreaks, and the public have experienced type 1, 2, and type 4. Dengue is a mosquito-borne disease that is prevalent in the subtropics, but from health officials' observations, there are some times in the year where there are outbreaks of dengue in Niue.
the last outbreak that we had in 2012 was dengue type 2. So on the island for the past couple of years, we've had type 1, type 2, and type 4.
Another island that has been affected is Vanuatu, where 3 suspected dengue fever cases were recorded during the Pacific Mini Games. Niue had athletes and officials who went to that major sporting event, and we asked what health has done in terms of cautioning people travelling to areas where outbreaks are present.
Before they left, we had an opportunity to discuss with them what they should be doing while they're there, because the outbreak that Vanuatu has at the moment is mumps, with more than 1,000 cases already. So we also have been updated on a daily basis by our Vanuatu counterparts in regards to how the disease has been controlled in Vanuatu. But our team were also being vaccinated before they left. The only concern that we have at the moment is that when they come back, we are already putting them on our monitoring database for the next 14 days. So usually when people come home from disease outbreak countries, we monitor them for 14 days to make sure that they don't bring home the disease themselves.
There is no vaccination for dengue fever here in the island, but preventative measures are to clear mosquito breeding places to reduce the risk of mosquito-borne diseases. Health Department officials have also strongly advised the public to take precautions during this festive season, especially those who are travelling abroad and returning to Niue. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. Do join us again for our last news bulletin next week. Don't forget that the Vaya Show Day is on Saturday morning, and the celebrations for Niue and China are on Saturday afternoon. Pehenai te wala tala tutupu ni ko momai ke lat me fifni amna ke mnuine e ko ki matapu ni hangau te kiai wani me ke wat ke hafkata he manga ko Vaya si hai foki e tau whakawhiawhianga haniwe me motu ko saina ke he mga ho whiawhia whaiumu tō ririu ni ke whilewe pene ke whaitapu ka hau. Kia ranofa, mnuine po tō ririu ke whilewea.